Umukoro ogu gwayitabamu abahagizi beye hamwe n'ab'obutegetsi b'emiringo etari kushana. Ariko hayorubazo rweye Honorable Minister Norbert Mao yajumirire ekikora ekyobutarekamu ebembezi kumara enshuro eri kwingana hari emwe ekintu kiyagira ngu nikyongera kugaruza enyuma entunguka y'ekyanga.
Here in Ankole, there are very few leaders who are given a second term. Even some of the very good ones, you serve one term, they remove you. You serve one term, they remove you. But you must nurture strong national leaders for the future. For us in Acholi, we know our situation. So when we get a good leader, we really protect them like a candle in the wind.
Guyagaruka yahayo kugabanya Uganda kweyara ekikora ekyokuguza akaruru kabo babanu baterera bebembezi.
I thought I should be very honest about this for you the elders to think about it. For the young people who sell their votes, perhaps this doesn't matter. Let me conclude.
Webobs Mwesije Dina hawa St. James Cathedral Ruharo Church of Uganda kando wa ibembero mukoro gwo kusima umulingo nigwo gumwe yasima Honorable Robert Rukari abo kugira omutima gwo kwijuka Ruhanga ombo bino Mburungi akamusima.
Thank the Lord. We want to thank you, Dr. Robert Rukari. In all circumstances, we give thanks. Thank you, stand up for the mission. No mukazi wa in all circumstances, we should give thanks to the Lord.
Robert Kachebezi, Lord Mayor wa Mbarara City, yagira ngu buri muntu wena shemere kuba natekateka habwire obwanyuma y'akaruru omuringo ogwe yahiga abasinjire n'abasingire kugarukana.
There is life after politics. Mkatiko kashotezi neza kwao kandi icyo turi kwishapatekanisa abo wese kuza kudereka tusasirane ebijiro ngururu orabe apira karuru omusimi otakapire na wewe witu omushabere kandi mukama mperezo muchi.
We Honorable Robert Rukari ombigambo bye yagira ngo kusima mukama hamwe n'abahagizi beye n'ekintu cyo kwebembeza hakuba n'aba hariho akakwate kamani hamwe bembezi hamwe n'abari kwebembera.
Na professor na speaker konka nozana bakusinga nota nokulibindi ndijo nagarika narebe amabintu kuraterao konka mkumo. And as leaders we must educate, guide our societies.
Ogona yayongera yajya unikirungi kube cyo kureberaho abana bakiri bato kubegiso muhanda no kusima mukama kandi yagira ngo ekiri kuza kukurataho nacyo nikija kumanywa.
I'm doing this for these young people to continue with it even if we no longer live in this planet Earth. Ngo ukwateta ile kusimera and kusimaranga no kusimara abantu. We're not doing it for ourselves, we're doing it for the children and the people who are here and whoever is watching us everywhere.
Makuru agasha kwa iya nakankwasa omuri Mbarara.